Alright, what is going on, guys? The Teen Engineer here, and today we're going to be continuing the Skywalk Tower series. So, today I think we're going to be doing a mute button for the sound in my game, for the music. It's just a UI button that when you click on it, it mutes the music. And so yeah, in last video we did the flashlight badge, and the flashlight is working perfectly. And so yeah, let's get into it. Let's see how it would look like, basically, if I play the game. Uh, But yeah, it's just in case you don't want to hear the music or it's annoying, you can just click on the button and it sets the volume to 0 so you can't hear it anymore. So pretty simple feature, but I think it's good to have. And I also like to add the Game Pass to my shop, the flashlight Game Pass to my shop. So when I go on the shop, you can see I should have like a Game Pass here and then flashlight or something you can click on. So yeah, go next. Okay, cool. So if I turn up the volume, you can see that there is music, and we can't really mute it unless we go here. So that's what I like to do, and I'd like to fix some shop things and maybe center this. I'm not sure why it's not centered, but yeah, we'll see. So let's get into it. I'm gonna go close that, edit, open Roblox. Okay, and so yeah, let's see how I'm actually playing the sound. So let's see, sound, probably sound regions, music. Let's see, sound music. Maybe I have sound regions music. Okay, let's see, what about that? Sound regions music, sound regions. Weird. um I'm trying to find a script that makes it so that I can um play the sound. So play the music. So let's say maybe music, sound music, sound giver music. Is that it? That seems to be it. Sound giver music. So let's look into that. First thing I want to do is let's go into my GUI. Let's enable the development GUI so I can look at it. Remove that loading screen, and I just want to take a look at the shop where it is. Main GUI here. Shop frame. Yeah, we can see the position is 0.23. Maybe it should be at 0.5. And the Y as well. If we're at 0.5, 0.5, and then let's say full screen or test device. Where is it? Let's see. Visible. Oh, it puts it here in the middle. Okay. So yeah, that's definitely not the way to go. So let's just make it centered. Like that should be fine, actually. So let's make that invisible again. Okay. What else? What else do we want? We wanted. Okay, yeah. Let's make a button top, bottom, left here. So let's get the image for that button, just like a speaker, let's say. So let's go to toolbox, go to images, speaker. Sorry. So let's see. So yeah, that's basically what I want. I need this one and this one, those two. So first off, let's make in the main GUI, I'm going to add a image button. Bring that down here. Using my plugin of auto scale, I'm just gonna make the position size scaled. Cool. Rename it to sound button. Okay. Make the background transparency to 1. Cool. And now let's change the actual. Wait. First off, I have to make sure that. What is it here? Make sure that in my plugins I have constraint for the ratio. The aspect ratio has to stay the same. So let's go into the properties here. Cool. And let's see. The image, I have to add an image, or let's say I just take it and maybe just drag it in. Where is it? I don't even know where it went. Let's see. Definitely went somewhere. Appearance, filter prop. Oh, it went to a decal. I have no idea where. Let's see. Right here. Okay, that's not what we want. We just need the URL. We need let's keep this saved. The ID. So that, and we can remove the decal. And let's say we put this ID in the sound button. Cool. And so I'm just gonna keep this here. And let's take the other one. So right click on that one, copy asset ID, put it in here. Yeah, so we're basically gonna be alternating between these two images. And the first image we should start with is this one. So yeah, cool. So let's put a local script in that. Add a local script. Call that. Let's see. Call that change sound. Let's say. Cool. So let's get the button. Button is equal to script.parent. Button.mouse button one click. Button one clicked. So when the player clicks on it, what do you want to do? Just gonna say player. Oh wait, actually no, I don't need that. So what do we want to do? Let's see. First off, let's check which state it's currently in. So if I click on it, and we can get the image. So we can say something like if image.image is equal to, and then or I have a better idea. We just change the name. So let's say now it's sound button. So we say sound on because it's on, and then when we click on it, it's gonna be sound off. So let's check the name. So if button.name is equal to sound on, so currently the sound is on, then we want to turn it off. And if it's not, so else if button.name equal to sound off, then I don't think I need that actually. Wait, I do. Okay. Cool. So if it's equal to sound on, then we want to turn it off. So let's say first off button.name, we have to switch it. So is equal to sound off, and then we have to change the actual image. So is equal to image is equal to just this. Should work, right? If I just paste that in here, yeah, that works. And then let's copy this, paste it here, and now it's sound on, and the button's image is the mute. So I copied that, pasted it here. And this is just going to alternate between them. But let's put a small debounce so that the player can just spam and then it's gonna... Actually, we don't even need it, now that I think about it. We don't really need it. Because there's no animations or things like that, so it's fine. What else? Well, we have to actually mute it. So let's get all the sounds. We have all of those. Sound regions, music, sounds. And we have sound giver music. So sound regions, music, sounds, game on workspace, sound regions, music. Okay. So let's first look at the sound regions music to see what's going on there. Yeah, I think that's what I want to mute. So sound regions music, and then I go to sound, and these are the actual... I'm trying to find which sounds are actually the music ones. I think it's these ones. So storage GUI in the sound, jawbreaker area, background music, rain area, rotary sound, snowball area. Okay. So basically you want to go through all of these sounds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and just change all of their volumes to 0. So let's get a reference to the folder. So local sound folder is equal to, where are we right now? We are, I have no idea. We are, let's see. Scroll to the bottom. We're here, so script dot parent dot sound. Whoops. And then sound regions, and we want background music and set all of those to 0. So sound, okay, and wait for child, sound regions. That's the sound folder, and now we want, let's say, the sound, the background music for background music model, because it's a model, and it's going to be in the sound folder. We can see it, and we want to wait for child background music. Okay, cool. And now when he wants the sound to be off, then that's the first thing we do. And let's just go into we're just going to loop through all of the sounds in the sound regions and set them all to set all of their volumes to 0. So let's do that. So first off, sound for, we actually have to loop through it. So for underscore sound in sound folder get children. So we're getting all of their children and looping through them. Cool. And what do we want to do to each of those sounds? We just want to set their volume. Is that it? Yeah. Volume, whoops, is equal to 0. And now we do the same thing for the background music model. Sound now volume equals 0. Cool. I do notice something though. They have different volumes. So what I might do is give them an attribute, and so that I don't have to just do a bunch of if statements. So I'm just gonna keep their attribute, look at it, and then set it to their volume. So let's do that. So this one is volume is 0.5. So let's add an attribute volume. Let's say it's going to be an integer number, and let's add it 0.5. Do the same thing for the rain area. This one is volume. They're all volume with V, capital V. Number 0.5 as well. Let me just make sure I did volume capital V. Yep. This one, volume number 0.2. You can see they're different. This one, volume 0.1. So a bit lower, probably because the the sound itself is higher, like louder. This one, thunder area, has a volume of 0. I cannot hear anything. Hmm, that's weird. Let's see. Sound ID. Well, I'm not sure, but I don't think it's supposed to be 0. Uh, let's see. Um, hmm. Okay, I think I'm going to keep it at 0, and then I'm going to add it. Continue doing it because I think I know what's going on. But basically, some of these sounds are only playing. Uh, some of these sounds are only playing. Actually, I'm gonna change this the way it's working. I'm not gonna change the volume. I'm just gonna change if it's playing or not. So I'm just gonna check if it's playing and set it to false. So I can actually delete these. That it's a better way to do it actually. Way better way. So let's check. Delete all of those. And so we're going to check if the sound is playing. Dot, let's say is, wait, what is it? Dot playing equal to true. Then, wait, it's double equal. Then sound dot playing is equal to false. Cool, so that's the same thing we do here. Right. So now I'm basically setting all of them to false. So not playing them. And let's copy this, put it here, and let's check if it's not playing, and we set it to true. So if the music's not playing, and he wants it to play, then we set it to true. So now it actually plays. Uh, let's try this. And we have to, maybe I should make this smaller a bit. Sound on. Just like that. Let's test to see how it looks like in another device. Perfect. And let's give back the loading screen. So enabled. And let's remove the show development GUI. Publish this. We can check it out on Roblox. So yeah. Oh wait, there's an actual. We can actually touch the button from here, but I'll fix that later. I think it's because it's on the same layer, so we have to make it a layer like less. But let's see. Okay, well it's not there. I don't see it. I can touch it, though. There's some kind of button. Uh, and the shop, right, the shop, the corners of the shop got messed up. Okay, let's see. There's some bugs now, so turn that back on. Loading. It's right here. Weird. Let's go on the shop. Let's say I have my switch towers. Gonna show up. Let's add a corner. That's good. I can close that. So now I'm not sure why, but sound on layout order. Let's see what's the layout order. This one. Let's say the shop. No, let's say the shop button layout order is 0. So let's put that. Oh wait, this one's 0 too. Hmm. Display order of -1. This one is 1. Okay. Let's say sound on. Let's put it at -1. Okay. And let's put back the UI corner. Cool. Now, why is it not showing up? Let's see. Let's have a look. Click on that. Right here, border size pixel 0. Model, put 7 size. Let's see. Influenced by UI, that's fine. Okay, let's try running it in here. It's right there. Okay, I think I understand. Um, if I go, I think I did it wrong. If I go to the arrow and here, how did I change the image? Wait, I just rotated it. Okay, so let's see how to change image of UI image in Roblox Studio, because I don't think you can just put the ID like that. So yeah, it's just like not showing any image because it can't find it. So okay, I have to put the RBX asset ID in the string. That's how you do it. So sorry about that, guys. So button.image, right? Yep. Image, cool. So right, this and then RBX asset ID / cool, just like that. Same thing for this one, right there. Let's publish this and loading. Let's go to loading, enable that, publish, and let's go to Skywalk Towers and open it. Okay, so it should work now. Let's see if okay, I can still select all of them. Whatever, it's fine. It works. Let me just turn this one off so we can hear it a bit better. And then let me turn the volume up so we can actually. Cool. Yeah, that's definitely not working. It just seems to be playing some other music at the same time. Okay, so let's close that. Definitely not what I wanted. But let's see. Button clicked. No, not this one. Change sound right here. Okay, sound giver music. Background music. I think it's these ones. Okay, if sound not playing equal true, then sound not playing equal false. Sound folder, wait for child background music. Okay. Hmm. If sound not playing equal false, then okay. So I think all of those uh, playing except this one. Hmm. Okay. Looped. Loop-de-loop. Cool. Let's add another if here in another if statement. Let's check to see if the sound is also looped, just in case. So and if sound dot looped equal true, and sound dot looped equals false, sound dot looped equals false, and sound dot looped true. Okay, here sound dot looped. Now this might not work because I actually think I just need to remove this, because let's just say we want to mute the music only and not the actual other stuff, because the other things are linked to another a script that like plays them, and I think it's gonna mess everything up. So let's back on. Okay, let's put those back in. Okay, cool. And then here, background music model and sound dot looped equals true, and then sound dot looped equals false. You know, it's the opposite. Okay, cool. Let's see. Let's try to publish this and see if it works. So basically, this is just muting the music and not the actual like. How can I say this? The actual things from the jawbreakers or the snowballs. Like more just the music. So let's see. Okay, so that's definitely not what we want. Let's see. So checking. Um. Okay, if for underscore sound, the background. Okay, I'm just gonna turn this off. For underscore, if sound not playing, are they all playing at the beginning or something? Um. If sound not playing equal true and sound not looped equal true. Okay, let's see. Looped playback speed. Okay. Um, I want to see something actually. I'd like to. I want to see how I would add an attribute. How to add an attribute in Roblox Studio Script, like Lua, let's say. Add attribute to instance.new. I want to see because I want to add an attribute to each of those and just tell me if they're playing. And if they are playing, then I can just turn them off. So set attribute, and then we set the attribute. Okay, cool. So just like that, you can just quit out of this and go to sound giver music. Cool. And what we'll do is we'll add a, first off, what I'll do is I'll loop through all of those and add an attribute. Sound regions workspace for I, V in pairs. Wait, I just realized something. Okay, that's fine. In pairs, I think I have to put. Yeah, I think it's in pairs. I'm not sure if that does anything, but I think that's wrong. So let's just switch that. Cool. Let's see. For in pairs, sound regions workspace, get children, do. We want to take that, put that there, set attribute, and then is playing. And let's set that to false at the beginning. Take those again, take that again, and put it here and set it to background music goofy.name dot set attribute is playing to true. And if it's not playing, so if we stop it here, then we take that again and to false. Perfect, that seems okay. Cool. Now we can just go into here, loop through all of that and the sound regions as well, actually, this time. So let's check. I can just copy this in sound folder. And then we can remove this if statement, actually. Going to remake it. So remake it for underscore sound in pairs, sound folder get children. And now let's get the attributes. So basically we're gonna get the attributes and see if it's playing. So let's check how to get attributes of object in Lua Roblox. Instant, call instance, get attribute by the instance. Let's see. Get attribute. Okay, cool. So it's just get attribute and then the name of the attribute. Cool. So if sound get attribute is playing equal true, then we want to turn it to false. But equal true is the same thing as just putting it here. That we don't need to put equal true. You can just remove it. And if it's not playing, wait, no, actually we can remove this. So if it's already playing, then we just want to turn it off. So sound, first off, let's set the attribute is playing back to false, and let's turn it off. So sound dot is, well, sound dot stop, I think. What was it? Stop. Okay, cool. Sound stop. Right. That seem working? Yeah, that's working. Cool. So let's do the exact same thing here. Just copy that, paste that. Cool. So we're checking to see if it's playing. Then if it is playing, then we turn it, set the attribute to false and stop it. And let's do the turning it back on. So let's check to see if it's not playing. Right? So if not playing, so just not, you just put an add not, and we set to play. Right? I think so. Yes. And we set that to true. So let's see if this is gonna work. I don't think it is actually, now that I think about it. Because if I click it again, then everything that's not playing is not going to be. This is a problem, but uh, I'm thinking now. What I could do is, yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. Okay, I have an idea. Let's make a folder in here called is playing, and we're going to basically move the sound inside of it when it's playing. So is playing, and instead of all the attributes and stuff, we can just remove that. But what we'll do is, I have no idea. I have to think about this. Let's see. What are other ways I could do this? Because I have to, like, identify it in another. Mode loop, sound group. What is this? Play on remove. Well, whatever. I'm gonna have to do this another time then. So I'm thinking of other ways I could fix this. Hmm. What I could do is, um, Banjos Unite service theme from Rubber. I could make a string value and then, hmm, yeah, I can make a string value and then see, and okay, yeah, I can do that, yeah. So let's delete this and let's go here. And when we're playing a sound here, instead of sending the attribute, what we'll do is we'll make a new instance. So local string value is equal to instance.new, and then we'll make a new instance, string value, I mean, and we'll name it. And first off, I need to, we'll name it. Let's see what I'll name it. I could name it playing audio playing. Okay, and I'm going to add probably an integer to it. So let's audio playing, and then we could say dash, and then let's say local loop value or something, audio num or something, dot audio num, and let's set that equal to 1 at the beginning. And now audio num will say plus plus, so plus equal 1, right? Is that equal audio num plus 1? Same thing. So we increment that by 1, and we'll put that inside of the sound regions workspace. Yep, we'll put it right here basically. And actually, now that I think about it, it will be way better if I named it the, wait, should I? Not the exact same name, but let's say I name it v.name, so the name, and then I add something to it. So dot value. So now I know what's the name, and actually I don't even need audio number anymore. Cool. And we don't even need to store anything inside the string value. We just know that it's going to be playing. And okay, and now what we're going to do, if it's stopping playing, we're going to loop through the sound regions, and we're going to look for the name, and we're going to delete it. And so we don't need this. So actually we're just going to go into sound regions workspace, find first child. What was the name? It is v.name dot value. Perfect. And then we can just destroy that, so it's fine. Cool. So this should work. And let's see, find first child, destroy. Cool. Delete that. Okay, cool. Now let's go back here. Now we can remove this. So now, if okay, so we can delete this as well, delete this. I found a better method, I think. Okay, so now we're going to loop through all of those. Okay, I actually don't even need this. What I can do is loop through the sound regions So I won't need this. I can loop through the sound regions and look for any type of string value. So if sound dot is type, let's see, how to get type. Let's say how to know if object is a string value. Let's say. Oh wait, Roblox Studio. As the value, maybe not. I'm just gonna think about it. If I add a string value here, string value. Let's see. I can just actually just check the class name. So yeah, equal to string value. Now I can check to see if it's a string value. Then it means that there's a sound that's playing, and we can get that sound. So sound dot. What do we want to do now? We want to destroy it. So sound destroy. And that should be basically it. And now let's look for when we want to play it. So when we want to play the sound, how should we do this? So if we want to play the sounds, they're all destroyed. So let's see. I found scribble parent is still new. Okay. Oh, wait, I actually don't think I should destroy them. I think I should just. What should I do? Actually, yeah, I could destroy them. And then, let's see. So what I could do is, I don't even know. But basically, what I need to do here is actually, I can make a new rate because here, I have the actual part's name, but I didn't before. So, so it's like I need to check to see if the player's inside again, and then play it. Right? That's something I need to do. Um, hmm. Well, this video is probably getting too long, so I need to refresh my mind in another video and like see how I would do this. But yeah, if you want to play this game, by the time these videos will be out, these problems will be solved and stuff. So yeah, if you want to play this game, it's called Skywalk Towers, and you can also join my group. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Whoops.